we're going to continue our bus tour on Thursday by going into two of the four parishes that we have not covered as yet. We're going to be doing the St. Catherine and Clarendon leg. The tour will start at 9:30 a.m. in Spaldings, which is up in the hills of Clarendon. We're actually going to leave from here, go out to Spalding, and then work our way back into the plains of St. Catherine. So we start in Spalding with the launch of the bus tour. Our first spot meeting will be in Crooked River, which is in northern Clarendon. We move from Crooked River to Summerfield, which is in north central Clarendon. We go through Thompson Town, which is in northwest Clarendon, and then we head down the hill to Jacob's Hub, which is in central Clarendon. We move
Southwest.
It's southwest? Okay, sorry, southwest. From Jacob's Hub, our next spot meeting is going to be at Mineral Heights, which is at the roundabout which takes you into Maypen. We move from Mineral Heights and we go along the Sandy Bay Freetown into Old Harbour, and we'll have our next meeting in Old Harbour Square. From Old Harbour, we move along the bypass road to De La Vega City, where we'll have another meeting, and then we end the bus tour with our public meeting in Bogwell Square in East Central St. Catherine, which is currently East Central St. Catherine. We anticipate commencing the public meeting at about 6:30 in the evening, and all leaders of the party will be on the tour from the beginning and at all the meetings, and certainly at the public meetings.